Today we're going to talk about data copies. People make data copies for all sorts of reasons. They want to have a copy of the production environment in order to do data mining. They want to do agile development or DevOps infrastructure. They want to clone data. Data migration, there are many needs. Data copy drives an enormous amount of cost in infrastructure and time management, as well as the risk that comes anytime you do something that massive. It's estimated that somewhere between 6 and 30 copies of production instances exist within the organization. So that actually makes up the bulk of capacity dollar spend. IBM's Infosphere Virtual Data pipeline is designed to drastically reduce the amount of time it takes to make these copies, as well as the amount of capacity it takes to store them. Data is far more current for things like DevOps and for data mining, and Infosphere Virtual Data pipeline helps to reduce exposure with a single golden image. So, how does it work? Infosphere Virtual Data pipeline works by copying or ingesting gold copies of the data that it's protecting. You point it at a database, you point it at a file system, and it creates one gold copy. From there, it tracks any changes to the production instances, so at any time you want to make a point-in-time copy, you merge the changes that occurred since the last copy. Each of the copies IBM's Virtual Data pipeline make look just like the original format of the data it's protecting. Therefore, there's no translation required to be able to use those copies. You can just basically do a mount and go, and instantly any point-in-time copy can be used for the many use cases such as data mining, agile development, regression testing, etc. Additionally, the unique capabilities of Infosphere Virtual Data Pipeline are especially helpful for the development environment, since you can mask out any sensitive pieces of data and make any other changes needed for testing. Any need for manipulating the data is built through the optimum component of Infosphere Virtual Data Pipeline. Infosphere Virtual Data Pipeline is a tool that you can use for efficient, cost-effective data copy development and testing while reducing unnecessary exposure to your data.